Hi there. I have a 1080p resolution monitor which you are watching the screen now. But I want to purchase a 4K. Before that I need to know if my PC can give 4K resolution or not. So, let's begin. Right-click and go to Display Settings. Scroll down and come to Advanced Display. Click on Display Adapter Properties. Here you can check your PC graphics card details. Mine is NVIDIA GeForce 3060, which has 12 GB dedicated graphics memory. So, let's check it on Google. On Google search, type this prompt. Your card details like this and then 4K support. And yes, I can buy a 4K monitor as my GPU supports 4K resolution displays. Here you can read further about the graphics system you have. So, this is the simple way to know whether your PC support 4K display or not. If you liked it, then please subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.